guys, Dragonites333 here, and we're on a nature hunt. Here's my two cousins. We're in this yard collecting these and other nature items. Here's my cousin Kaylee, a wabam. My little cousin Xavier, which will be leaving. Go back to Florida soon. A wabam. Oh yeah, he found these.
She found one too.
Yeah, she found some of these leaves. But they have bubbles on them. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that, guys. Extremely cool. Brought the video, you couldn't see that. I see acorns, like white pine cones. I know. There's like swarms of gnats everywhere. You can't see them because they're so small. But we see swarms of gnats everywhere. Shooby-dooby-dooby. That far. That bug! Look at that. Yeah, the bug, it's pure red. Look, right here. Look at that, guys. That's amazing. You see the little red? Oh, that's sick. See it? It's right there. Might have to put it close. Oh, they probably can see it. It's right there. It's crawling on his knee. I've never seen that before. I really like that. It looks extremely neat. Oh, guys, look at this acorn. This is you have to have it has a mini bottom. Has a mini bottom. The seat. Look at the bottom one. So, it is so small.
What?
No,
I don't want any.
Yeah, I have a crap ton. Trying to give us some. Oh, look at this. Here, do you want it? Maybe do you want this really small acorn?
That's stupid.
Look at it. Here, have it.
Okay.
For our nature hunt.
That's a tiny acorn.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, this is Nature Hunt Part 1. Oh, so it's more of these little white balls. So keep on looking for a little bit later a Part 2 to this. I think this might be a whole series. That'd be extremely cool to see. But I think that might conclude it for Part 1 of Dragonites, a nature hunt. Oh, frick. That's fun. Bye-bye. Make sure to hit the like button below. Subscribe if you're new. And peace out. Bye-bye.